Why do I keep getting extra After Effects keyframes? Have you ever found yourself puzzled by unexpected keyframes in Adobe After Effects? It can be frustrating when your animation doesn't behave as you intended. Let's break down why this happens and how to manage it better. Extra keyframes often appear due to how After Effects handles keyframe interpolation. The software uses Bezier curves to create smooth motion between keyframes. Sometimes, this can lead to overshooting, where your object moves beyond its intended path before settling back. This effect can make it seem like there are extra keyframes at play. To fix this, try switching the interpolation type from Auto Bezier to linear, or adjust the handles on the keyframe graph. Another common reason for extra keyframes is accidental creation while moving properties. If the stopwatch icon for a property is active, any change you make will create a new keyframe. This can lead to unwanted keyframes if you adjust properties without realizing keyframing is enabled. These hidden keyframes can cause erratic motion, like objects jittering or floating unexpectedly. Misusing easy ease can also contribute to this issue. When you apply easy ease unevenly, it can distort motion. The speed and value graph handles in the graph editor control how your animation accelerates and decelerates. If these handles are extended too far or shaped incorrectly, it can create jittery effects that seem like extra keyframes are influencing the motion. A good practice is to reset keyframe interpolation to linear and then apply easy ease after finalizing your keyframes. Time remapping or other effects that alter timing can cause keyframes to shift or multiply unexpectedly. After Effects recalculates timing and value changes dynamically, which can interfere with your manually set keyframes. Understanding how time remapping interacts with your keyframes is key to avoiding unexpected behavior. If you are using layer parenting or expressions, this can also create the illusion of extra keyframes. When a layer is parented to another or uses expressions, the final position or property value can be influenced by multiple inputs. If you notice unexplained motion, double-check your parenting and expression links. To avoid extra keyframes, here are some practical tips. Always check if the stopwatch for a property is active before making adjustments. Use linear interpolation for troubleshooting, then apply easing once your keyframe timing is set. Be careful when adjusting handles in the graph editor to control motion curves without overshooting. Avoid moving layers when the timer icon is highlighted unless you intend to create new keyframes. If unexpected keyframes appear, you can select and delete them manually to restore your intended motion. If keyframe behavior becomes too erratic, consider starting fresh with a new layer or animation. By mastering these keyframe principles and settings, you can gain better control over your animations in After Effects and prevent the frustration of extra keyframes.